The notification popped up late one Tuesday night. A sudden spike in views, something just wasn't right. I clicked the dreaded link, saw the title, couldn't breathe. The footage, the concepts, everything. I believe it was my work, my soul. The hours I put in now broadcast on a screen where the profits begin. A cheap, quick upload, stripped of context and care. My original effort just hanging in the air. And now I watch the content, feeling hollow and cold, watching strangers praise a story that they never told. The shame isn't mine, but the embarrassment is deep, seeing my creation that they couldn't even keep. Oh, Kiamoato, you thief in the light, selling my sorrow, burning my right. You wear my artwork like a suit that you stole. A copy-pasted sickness taking its toll. This feeling is heavy, this feeling is raw. You took what was mine against every law. The spotlight's on the lie, the channel is a sin, and the embarrassment is knowing where my effort has been. I remember the late nights, the editing grind, trying to make the final product something one of a kind. The little details added, the watermark I missed, now simplified and viral with a venomous kiss. They got the quick traction, the easy stolen fame, while my original channel whispers your empty name. They talk about success, the clicks and the rapid rise, but the foundation of their kingdom is built on simple lies. And now I scroll to watch, feeling hollow and cold, watching strangers praise a story that they never told. The shame isn't mine, but the embarrassment is deep, seeing my creation that they couldn't even keep. Oh, Kiamoato, you thief in the light, selling my sorrow, burning my right. You wear my hard work like a suit that you stole. A copy-pasted sickness taking its toll. This feeling is heavy, this feeling is raw. You took what was mine against every law. The spotlight's on the lie, the channel is a sin, and the embarrassment is knowing where my effort has been. I'll stand on the truth, I'll point out the scar. They're nothing but mirrors reflecting a far better original idea that they couldn't create. Ctl+C and Ctl+V is a terrible fate. Go on, get your clicks, keep rolling the reel, but I know the truth of the product you steal. And a banana, the channel of shame, fade out with a single echoing keyboard click.